In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring payments on Sofi. Whether you're looking to automate bill payments, schedule regular investments, or set up transfers to your savings vault, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to make your financial management as seamless as possible with Sofi. Let's begin by accessing the recurring payments setup on the Sofi platform. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Sofi account. Make sure you have your credentials handy as you'll need them to gain access. Once you're successfully logged in, head over to the main dashboard where you'll have an overview of your financial activities. Your next step is to navigate specifically to the section titled Set Up Recurring Payments. This is typically found within the Payments or Transfers menu in your account navigation bar. So go ahead and click on that link to enter the setup interface for recurring payments. Now that you're in the recurring payments section, you should look for an option that says How to Set Up Recurring Payments on Sofi. This will provide you with an overall view and guidance on the different types of recurring payments you can set up. By clicking here, you'll broaden your understanding of the various pathways available, whether it's for bills, investments, or moving money between accounts. At this point, you're probably wondering which payments you specifically need to configure. It's important to tailor this setup to your individual needs. The Sofi platform acknowledges that users may have different requirements, so it offers a helpful explainer. It depends a bit on which kind of recurring payments you mean. What's great is that it will walk you through the common types of recurring payments that you might want to arrange. Take a moment to decide what exactly you want to set up, since this will help you choose the right path. For many people, a common recurring payment they need to set up is for investments or deposits using Sofi Invest. If this is something you're interested in, look for the option labeled Recurring Investments or Deposits, Sofi Invest. Click on this link to begin configuring your scheduled investments. You have the autonomy here to determine the frequency and amount of your deposits, allowing you to systematically grow your investments over time. Keep in mind, setting up these automated payments not only saves time, but can also enhance financial discipline by ensuring that you're meeting your savings or investment goals consistently. By following these steps, you'll have set up your recurring payments on Sofi with ease, paving the way for smarter financial management. If you encounter any hurdles, remember that Sofi's customer support is just a click away for additional guidance. Now you're ready to automate your finances and step into a more organized future. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.